It's another day, another vlog. We're heading to the city kasi wala tayong trabaho today and tayo ay maggagala. As of this moment, tayo po ay nasa winter season kaya balot na balot ang person. And also, it's quite a bit raining. So hopefully, ma-pull off natin tong vlog na to. And without further ado, tara! Let's go! So it will just take maybe 20 to 30 minutes na ride na doon. First thing na pupuntahan natin siguro is church. For this travel ay wala tayong itinerary kung ano yan yung pupuntahan natin today. Ito yung pupuntahan natin. Bababa tayo mamaya sa town hall. Ito yung isa sa mga bagong stations dito sa Melbourne City Loop. So doon tayo bababa para accessible siya sa lahat. Tayo pupunta na sa labas. Makalabas na natin sa train. Maglalakad tayo ng roughly around 10 to 15 minutes going to the church. Ang lamig! So, andito na tayo ngayon sa city proper. So, tayo ay papunta sa Elizabeth Street kasi after Elizabeth Street, straight na yan, papunta na yan ng St. Francis Church. By the way, I just received a text message from one of my friend, Dut Ilagan and Von. So magkikita kami sa church. Kasi si Nico guys, nasa school pa. So out siya ng 7:30 and at the moment it's 5 something. Mag-church na tayo before tayo pumunta sa next lugar. This is how Melbourne looks like during winter. Yan. Welcome to Melbourne. So I just want to let you know guys that yung regular pamasahe sa train is $5.70 and as of this moment, meron silang program dito na yung pamasahe is half the price or 50% off up until January of 2027. So they are proposing na i-free yung public commute dito sa Victoria. So before, if magko-commute ka dito sa Melbourne guys, you need to get the card or we call it as Myki card. So that will cost you like $6. But as of this time or as of this moment, hindi mo na kailangan ng Myki card to tap off and on sa mga public commute nila dahil you can use your cards like your MasterCards and Visa cards to tap off and on sa kanilang public commute. So actually matagal na lang pinopropose yan pero ngayon na materialize na. You need to pay for or you don't need to buy the Myki card. Just use your cards like MasterCards and Visa card to tap off and on sa kanilang public commute kasi allowed na siya. So we're finally here at St. Francis. Daily life and to collaborate before karon kay wala naman laylo naman ko so we're gonna take our dinner here in Super Hiro Japanese bar. Hello. Hi. Hello. Order na taon sa man imong ha. Wala ka order guys. Ang akong estudyante I'm with Dut Ilagan and si Sir Von. Hi, Sir Von! So, nagsimba kami galing and then, while waiting for Nico, nagkape kami doon sa may, ano nga yun, Hokkaido something, chuchu. Magtitake kami ng dinner dito sa Super Hiro kasi nagkikrave kami ng ramen and let's see if masarap yung ramen. It's just for like $17 per serving.
Yeah.
Leader put the Father Son the Holy Spirit. Remember the Lord, this is the church of the city, the full Christ.
Ibang yung pag-shoes niya.
Mangain. Ito yung buhay. Ito ang nightlife dito sa Melbourne. Kagaya nito. Tapos merong iba-ibang mga cuisine. Merong Malaysian, merong Chinese, merong mga Indian as well. China bar meron dito. So, it's ang daming option. Ang dami kayong options dito. Dito sa Swanston Street. Di ba daraan naman yung school lab? Daraan yung school? Ah, okay. Karon. Naagid ma'am dot.
Uy, dami mga anak pero lain sila.
Ah. Ah.
Pagban ba kay pagbagsikan
Ah.
kung dili mo ri do na.
I cannot. Dili lang. Oh, exchange gift mo rin anak.
And easy.
Uy! So, kakain tayo ng frozen yogurt and matcha. Ay, close na. Da, ang lutong. So, dara ba ito nag-inom lab, no? Pero ma'am dot, labi po dara ma'am dot. Takal-takal ba ang pagkain? Hala, close na. Milk tea na yun tani.
Tuesday pa siya ka man ba? Basag discounted ka man. One game lang.
Ayun, dugit. Ha? Sige, tara. Alright, so dito kami ngayon sa isang bowling bar. So maglalaro kami ng bowling. So it's gonna be $22 per game. Apat kami maglalaro. Let's see if sino mananalo. So nasa Strike Bowling Bar kami. Kalabasa. Okay. Hala, puro kanal ha? Ay, tara! Ay! Hala, kuha. Ay, shit! What? Asa na? Poor guys! Alright, so nasa train na kami and kakatapos lang namin mag-bowling. This one is from State Library Station going to Clayton. So time is 10:45 and work pa tayo tomorrow morning alas 6. So kailangan nating umuwi because it's late na. Just comment down below guys kung ano yung gusto nyong puntahan natin or mga tourist spots dito sa Melbourne within the city para ma-include natin sa ating gagawin na next vlog. And this ends our vlog for today. And if you are not yet my subscriber, please to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. It's me again, Tipalabo, yung pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye! So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Clayton. Tayo ay pauwi na. was your school, my love?
Draining.
Draining? Because of your teacher? Because of the subject? Because of what?
Because of the subject.
How is the life of a student in the Masters of Social Work program?
It's difficult. It's hard. If you don't have the comm skills, it's even harder.
Bakit mo nasabi, my love?
The type of assessment we have is an in-class assessment. And you have to answer one question with 2,500 words
Without using ChatGPT?
without using AI.
So, labanan ng utak, ganon.
Labanan ng utak, labanan ng...
Bulsa. Ano yung ma-advise mo sa mga aspiring international student na gusto rin mag-cool at mamuhay dito sa Australia?
Just don't study. Find someone who can marry you.
Come is there. Taas lang siya ng train.